So now let's see how we can use brush inside of GIMP. So to use brush, over here on the left hand side, you can see that paintbrush is an option. And also in this group, you can see that there's pencil, there's airbrush, there's ink, and my paintbrush right here. So let's start ahead with brush right here. And what you need to do to start using brush is simply click and drag around, and there you go, there's a brush right here. So over here, you can go around, change around the size of the brush right here. You can go around and change the aspect ratio of the brush over here as well, and then change around the angle of the brush as well. Also the spacing of the brush right here. So if I were to keep it close together, then you can see that it is more like a brush right here. You can change around the hardness of the brush, make it more softer, and then change around the force of the brush as well. And that is what you have. As you can see, you can go around and choose different kind of brushes from over here. So there's a range of brushes, as you can see, like for example, there's this brush right here. So you can simply go around and click and drag it, and then you can see that you can draw around by using that brush over here. So over here, what you can also do is change around the blending mode of the brush. So let's say, for example, if I were to choose multiply, then it simply goes around and multiplies out right here, as you can see right here. So apart from that, there's different kind of brush, like this pencil brush right here, just like this, which works in a different way. So let's just go around over here and then select out this brush. So this is more like a pencil brush. Then if I were to go around, there's this airbrush right here. So if I were to change around the size, it's more like air, as you can see right here. Similarly, there's ink brush right here, as you can see right here. So as I pull, it's more like a flow of the ink right here. So slow right here for large, and then fast for a small right here, and that is more like an ink brush. And then there's my paintbrush right here, just like this, which is a custom brush. So that is how you can go around and change around the settings as you like, and utilize the brush as you like to draw whatever you like inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.